What might be handy too is how to figure out where you put your dots. If you want to follow a steady pattern for where you put your dots, so not random places, but maybe in the, like I did here, in the middle, in a sixth, so 11 single crochets, and I put this one in the sixth single crochet, so it's right in the middle. If you want to put another one right in the middle, then you need to have the same distance, otherwise it looks odd. What you can do is use a stitch marker in the row where you put your dot, but sometimes, well, I forget, and there is a way to figure out in which row you put the dot. You can still count. So this is the first row of single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's where I know, because I counted it, so I know I put it in the 5th row, and that's why I put the stitch marker here. Well, not stitch marker, but a piece of yarn. And this is the 6th row, and you can see I crocheted, and this stitch is in the dot. So that is the next row. So this is 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10th row, which I need for my next dot. And if I want it in the middle, I need to put it in the 6th stitch again, which is too much. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to finish this one with the red yarn or another color of yarn. And if you want it sort of alternating, you can also put it maybe in the 3rd stitch on this side, or 4th stitch, and then also from the other side. So 1, 2, 3, this is the 3rd stitch. So you could put them here or here, whatever you like. I hope that helps you with where to put your dots. Okay, let me know.